Hello! In this video we're going to look at how to put text under a picture or maybe under a heading, because if you make a heading the text is quite big, but if you have more text, let's say you're writing a paragraph or something like that, it needs to be a bit smaller. So we are doing something slightly different, but it's quite easy. Okay, let's look at our task to see what we need to do. So here we have the task we're looking at, and let's check. The only place where we have to write anything under either a picture or under a heading is actually here, because we need to write the title and the author of a book. Okay, so this is the only place where we have to write something. So we need to go to the picture of the book. It's Aladdin and the Enchanted Lamp. So we need to write the title of that book, and we need to write the author of that book. Okay, so let's go to the iBook. So it's in the reading blog, so we click up under the reading blog chapter, and it's the first one. Okay, so let's just click on preview again to check that we can see clearly what the title is. So it's Aladdin and the Enchanted Lamp. Now if you look here, it says retold by Judith Dean. What that means is that we don't really know who the author is of this very old story. Probably people have told it to their children and grandchildren for many, many centuries, hundreds of years. So we don't really know who started or wrote this story, but therefore we have to write retold. Judith Dean is actually telling this story. Okay, Aladdin and the Enchanted Lamp. So what I need to do now is I need to add some text. So if I click on the plus sign up there, as you can see, we used title before, but now we're going to use paragraph because we're going to add some more information. So I click on paragraph, and when I click with my finger inside this box, I can start typing. So the book is called Aladdin and the Enchanted I can hardly type, it's very small here. And Enchanted Lamp. Okay, it's retold. Capital R, retold by Judith Dean. Okay, that took some time. It's a bit fiddly sometimes, a bit difficult to type on the iPad. Now, what we can do is we can make the title of the book in italics. If you look at the I there, that's italics. So let's select that and do that. So I'm going to select Aladdin and the Enchanted Lamp and put that in italics. So I'm clicking here on I. So it becomes italics. Aladdin and the Enchanted Lamp, retold by Judith Dean. Okay, and then when I'm finished now, I click Save. Now, what I wrote is down here. So what I need to do is I need to move it, because it should be under this picture here, because this is the picture of the book. So in order to do that, I need to click or tap on Edit again, and then I touch with my finger. I tap with my finger and hold down on this part, and I just move it up like this. So now I've added text under a picture. If you need to add text under a heading, it's just the same. For example, if your teacher wants you to write a paragraph with a heading, you make the heading and then you click Add Paragraph, and this is what you do, exactly what we've done now. So now I'm going to click on Done. So let's click Preview to see what it looks like. So here we have Reading Blog, which is the chapter, a book I'm reading on my iPad, which is the heading. Here we have the picture of the book, and then under here it tells me the title of the book, and who it is retold by. Okay, so we have all of that information there. So let's close this by tapping outside, and that's it. Okay.